Good morning, everybody. I am Rashmi. Today's lecture is in the paper Entrepreneurship, and topic is Entrepreneurship Development Program. Entrepreneurship Development Program and basically Entrepreneurial Development Program are related with each other. Basic differences between these two. So many of you sometimes raise the question, what are the basic differences between the Entrepreneurship Development Program and Entrepreneurial Development Program? There is slight difference. Both are related with each other. Here, entrepreneur is who? That is a person. And entrepreneurship is what? What? That is a system. Okay? It is organization. Okay? So whenever entrepreneurship development is going on and development related programs are here established, it means entrepreneur development is already. So these two are coordinated with each other because entrepreneur is a person, individual who here establishes the entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship development whenever is going on, it means entrepreneurial development, and whenever entrepreneurial development is going on, it means entrepreneurship development. So these are correlated with each other. Okay. Now come to the point. Entrepreneurship Development Program. Okay. First of all, here, what are the different traits and competencies are essential to represent a person in the form of exact personality? Okay, and same thing is applied here in being the entrepreneur. Here so many competencies and traits are available to convert a common people into the entrepreneur. These traits may be goal orientation, these may be competency, these may be in the form of determination, these may be in the form of opportunity taker, these may be in the form of seeking and using feedback. So there are so many here traits and competencies are available. What are these traits and competencies are utilized in being the entrepreneur? These are the characteristics. For being any person entrepreneur, certain characteristics are essential. So an important question arises that these characteristics are inborn. What is? These characteristics are inborn, or here it is induced or developed. Induced or developed. And next question is entrepreneur born or made? What is born or made? So these two questions exactly here originate the answer related these questions here represents the Entrepreneurship Development Program. First one here question is what? That characteristics are inborn or induced or developed. Okay. The second question is entrepreneurs are born or made. Okay, so these two questions here arises time to time. First of all, at these points, here different characteristics are essential in the form of competency, in the form of traits to represent a person being the entrepreneur. And such here traits rotates around the here knowledge, motive and skill. What is knowledge, motive and skill? What is here knowledge? Knowledge is actually based upon the education. Okay, based upon the what is certain education. Whatever education is imparted, whatever the education is received, here this one is here represented in the form of knowledge by a person. Second is motive. Motive is what? That is the here urge. What is the urge? Urge means provoke. What is a provoke? That is the stimulate a person to achieve the goal. To stimulate the person to achieve the goal. And the goal is what? That is the here achievement in the form of certain hard work, and such hard work rotates around the best performance. So here motive is essential. Now skill. What is the meaning of here skill? Skill is just like the ability to demonstrate. What is? To demonstrate the what is a system, a particular system, and also sequence of behaviors. Demonstrate what is the system and also the sequence of behavior for what? To giving something that can see by any person. So here knowledge, motive and skill in the combined effort represented and formulated so many characteristics in the form of hard working, in the form of innovative, in the form of here risk taker and so many aspects. Okay, here risk taking aspect, here generally entrepreneur jeopardizes so many financial securities and also other securities. And innovative form, it always accepts the changes in the factor of production. Okay, then in all this view, here entrepreneur always try to accept such type of traits or competency. Now second one question, are entrepreneur born or made? For this answer, here J. McClelland, Oxford University related here behavioral scientist taken a certain here experiment at Hyderabad in 1961, near about 1961 at Hyderabad, with the collaboration of here this one, that is the C8 Institute, that is the Small Industries Extension Training Institute in 1961, and hire certain common people to give certain types of here training to develop into entrepreneur. In his mind, here always originated that there are so many societies who represented itself in the form of blockbuster to originate, to cultivate the economic scenario of any history. How is it applicable by such societies? So to giving the answer for this, he imagined that whenever common peoples are induced or developed through such type type of here competencies and characteristics, such people may be converted into entrepreneur. So for this, here he developed a certain type of program for near about 5 years and selected some common people, some energetic people, some young people to give the certain tips and certain types of facilities to enhance the knowledge, enhance the motive and enhance the skill. Okay. Generally it is found that here first of all that competency is just like and motivation is just like what? That is to only to make the money. But money is not only a basic concept for the entrepreneur development, because it is just like the measure, just like the measurement of the development, measurement of the measurement to establish the motivation. Okay, and motivation is what? That is to need the achievement. So here this McClelland behavioral scientist given the one factor, this one is knack factor, and knack factor reveals that it is just like the need for achievement. Need for achievement. Okay, and what is the here achievement? That is the hard work. And hard work completed when and how? Through the motivation. And such motivation gives the output in the form of performance. So on the whole, here we are saying that this need for achievement rotates around the motivation, and motivation originates from what? That is the here motive. Okay, so this situation here taken by the here McClelland and taken certain experiment at Hyderabad, and that place was Kakinada. Where he selected some people and given certain tips how to convert a common people into the entrepreneur, and such development program here known as Kakinada experiment. In 1961, with the collaboration of this institute, that is the Small Industries Extension and Training Institute. Now this institute is converted into NSIET, National, here related, National is adding here in CET. So this type of institution, and also here Mr. McClelland represented a development program, and this development program reveals in the form of entrepreneurship development program with the collaboration of the government and also financial institution. Near about at presently near about 720 such entrepreneurship development program is running, and not only at the national level but also district level. Simplest example, whenever we are discussing that at local level, our industrial belt is Vela industry, where DIC, District Industrial Center, is established to develop such entrepreneur and create the entrepreneurship development program. Okay, so here total development program rotates around the competencies, and competencies here taken from the knowledge, motive, skills, and without these three, such type of here programs cannot be completed, and these three are here originated in the common people to represent a common people into the entrepreneur. So these are the here establishment history for the entrepreneurship development program. And after seeing this type of development, after seeing this type of experiment, here America and UK also in after 1971, because in 1971, according to this development, Indian government establishes so many programs. But after 1971, UK and USA also here launched so many programs for the entrepreneurship development category. And in USA, first of all, this type of development program given the name in the form of Catch the Young. What is Catch the Young? And in the UK, it was established this program in the form of Young Enterprise. What is Young Enterprise? So after the India, here entrepreneurship development program was here developed by the developing countries. But presently, in present scenario, we are seeing that so many small countries, our neighboring country, that is the Japan, that is the Korea, and also big giant country, that is the China, are here rotates around the entrepreneurship, so many entrepreneurship development program to boost the own economy. Okay, in next class we may discuss about the need of the entrepreneurship development program. Need of entrepreneurship development program. Okay.